Howler Jungle. We're doing horror in Howler Jungle, and the thing is chasing us.
And we're currently getting chased.
Help me.
Oh my God, he's right there.
Guys, tell my
Hello,
listening
sir.
kids that I love them.
Someone come.
Run, run.
I am such
Yeah,
a
get away.
He's running after you. Run!
Hey, Mom, you have time to do your intro.
I already did.
Where is everybody?
Why you sound like that? Oh my God!
Oh my God. They're in pain. We have to save them. Quick.
Come on, guys. Down there.
Somebody touch him. Somebody touch him.
No, he's after me.
You almost killed me. You almost.
I'm like, so. This is the horror mode. You had to do a bunch of this stuff. You had to put cushions together. This is where he came from. He broke
He's
out.
underneath me.
What do you guys see?
This is what he sounds like, guys.
We're following him.
That's what he sounds like. Okay, guys, let's
Wait,
go
I'm
back.
gonna go in here real quick. Look, there he is. Wait, where are you going? Wait, I think
Where is he?
We're gonna get killed. Wait, lollipop. I have a question.
This is actually a really good. This is a Gorilla Tag ripoff. It's called Howler Jungle. If you'd like to download it.
Johnny. The link is in the description.
There's a bunch of different game modes, but right now I am checking out horror mode.
Johnny?
He's coming after me! He's coming after me! Oh my God!
Bro, this guy's racist.
You died.
Okay, never mind. I took it back. Oh,
Right?
he's gone. Hey, excuse me, sir.
Move!
Sir,
Wait.
do you have your pass? Oh,
No,
you have your pass.
I don't need a pass.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, then you must. Then you must.
I'm
stop.
admin. Guys,
Come on. Hey, you want to know? Let's make haste.
I can't see because of your
Guys, I'm gonna sacrifice
beds!
myself. I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Don't do it.
Ready?
Ah!
Sacrifice myself. Remember me as the bacon kid. You say,
Okay. Join the server back.
remember me as the bacon kid. I heard someone recording.
Join the server back. Oh my God! Guys,
Just run!
he's after me! Run! Oh my God! Oh my God, he's so fat!
Guys!
I can't see. My hands are falling off. Oh my God, we're good. Bye.
Go down there.
Oh, they still talking to me.
Don't come.
Oh gosh.
No, he ain't. What you mean? Bro, why you look like that when you run?
I don't know. Bro, he literally touched me.
Run again? Somebody do the funny run.
Bro.
What the?
Hey, gang, what's up?
Wait, guys, can somebody shake that, like, turn around? Somebody turn
can I
around,
say
so you
hello
turn
to
around.
YouTube real
Turn around real quick.
Here's my funny run.
Turn around real quick. Shake your head.
I am the bacon kid. He's
That's my funny run.
wall. He's stuck in the
This is what you did.
Yeah, I
He's on
know
the wall.
what.
He's right there.
Wait, now you do
He's
it.
right
Now you do
here.
it, bro. Now you do
He's
it.
right here.
Bro, why is this guy chasing you?
Ah, he's chasing after me. Oh my God, I can't see.
Guys, do you remember me? He's the bacon kid.
Bacon Kid!
Remember the bacon kid?
Yeah.
Guys, got my bacon.
Wait, Bacon
He has
Kid,
the
Bacon Kid.
howler lab thing. He has the howler lab thing. I think we should.
Wait,
Bacon
Rizzler.
kid.
Hey, everybody come here. Rizzler.
I'll.
Hey, Rizzler. Turn
Guys,
around
we're
real
going on a
quick.
field trip. Guys, come on, we're going on a field trip.
Turn around.
Come on, we're going on a field trip.
Shake your
Hey,
head.
no going in front
Turn around,
of the
shake your head.
substitute. We're going in front of the bus driver.
No, go like this and shake your head.
Run. He just killed someone. Hey, don't go in front of the teacher. I'm going to kill you.
Girl, I was trying to make you shake your butt. Move!
What's the most funniest funny run? What's the most funniest
This, you
funny
ready
run?
for this? Watch.
I have the most funniest one.
Look at my funny run.
On my screen, I got the most funny one. He's like, anyway.
Move!
You said I'm not moving.
Hey, guy. Hey, man, you're beautiful. L.
You're the only blue guy here.
I know, he's racist.
Oh my gosh, dude, you almost died. L. Oh, frick.
El Bozo. Oh my god, I'm about to juke him so hard right now. I just flagged. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just.
Where is he? Guys,
Right here.
Right here.
Right
I
here.
don't know. Stop. Y'all violated the law. Hey. Where is he? Why is this guy always chasing you? What?
I don't know, he's racist.
He's glitching. How do you change your color? Crap. I'm not even trying to.
Guys, I'm sweating blood, sweat, and tears right now.
How do you change your color?
I don't know.
Stay there. I'm gonna check if he's actually racist. He's right
Okay,
here.
if you guys want me to do a part 2 of recording horror mode in this, I'm gonna do a part 2 later. So yeah,
I
I'll see
want
you
to
guys in
be
the next
in
video.
video.